Right now, City Council is holding an emergency meeting in Stillwater. This is along the St. Croix River. They're hoping to declare a state of emergency as the river rises. This morning, crews blocked access to the Stillwater lift bridge. That means no walking or biking across the bridge at this time. City maintenance crews are putting down equipment to help weigh down the bridge as the river rises. The bridge will be closed until the water goes down. In northern Minnesota, the city of Cook is seeing major flooding. Right now, we are keeping a close eye as we wait for Minnesota DFL Governor Tim Walz to arrive and see this for himself. This is a live picture from Cook. We will have the very latest later today on television and online. The Little Fork River runs right through the town and has put many roads underwater. Because of that, St. Louis County is under a disaster declaration, and one member of the rescue team there had this advice for people in the flood zone.
Recognize that obviously it's a fluid environment. The water levels are constantly changing. Listen to the news, listen to the emergency management leaders. Stay out of the water if you can. That flowing water across roads, we're seeing a lot of washouts. You could be driving right into one and get swept away.
And again, we want to stress that getting into floodwaters can be very dangerous. A temporary shelter has been set up for people in the city of Cook who can't stay in their homes. Even further north, the flooding is causing health risks for community members of Wabick. The water there might be contaminated. City leaders say this is because of a loss of pressure. They've issued a boil water advisory for that area. South of the Twin Cities, farmers in Sibley County are struggling with all this water. It comes after 3 straight years of drought. So far this year, parts of rural Minnesota have a half-foot more of rain than they did at this point last year. A farmer we talked to says many of his fields have turned into lakes, which creates a whole new set of challenges.
We're struggling, obviously. We struggle to get planted. We've now struggled to keep the crop alive. There's always hope. I mean, the one thing my dad always used to say is he always would say, well, I'll take a wet year over a dry year.
While those running Gold Key farms know there is plenty of time to recover, they're still hoping for a summer of average weather. But even if things do dry out, the family is worried about weeds. Rain had prevented them from putting down herbicide. Floodwaters have closed a portion of I-90 in southwest Minnesota. There are some pictures from that area. Look for detours from Worthington to Laverne. A closure on Snelling Avenue will be extended to early July. It's between Ford Parkway and Montreal Avenue. In St. Paul, rainy weather has caused a delay in the reopening of the half-mile stretch of road. MnDOT now expects it will be back open before the 4th of July holiday.